Hello, my name is Raj, and today I'm going to teach how to play Kahoot. First of all, what is it? It's a game-based learning platform used by teachers to make learning fun. It is free and can be downloaded at kahoot.com. Students play, learn, and celebrate their win. Kahoot can be played anywhere using a laptop, PC, or phone. Kahoot can be played alone or as a group. Students can challenge each other from basic to complex quizzes. In class, the teachers are usually the one who hosts the game. Once he or she gets a pin number, all the students can connect with the game and start playing. Kahoot is easy to create. It can also be hosted by anyone who wants to do a game. It is educational and works best for group works. So now I'm going to go into the main website. So you're going to go to www.kahoot.com and you're going to click on here. So this is the main website. Now you're going to do the game. So click login and it brings you to this website. So you can choose these or you can create your own. So I'm going to go to famous movie quotes, for example. So now, once we get here, the questions are here. You click play, and then you can choose either classic or team mode, whatever you want. So I'm going to go to classic. So this is what comes up. Then you have a game pin. So as soon as we type this game pin in, once you can see it. And then you enter the game pin with here. And then you enter your name or nickname. Then you'll see it on the screen. Okay. Then there'll be the questions. So this is your question. Then you have to select one of the shapes. So select any shape it is. That's correct. Then you go next, and then your next question will come. So your next question. The same thing, you select your answer. It's good. That's correct. Sometimes you get incorrect answers too, but that's okay. As long as you're playing. Then it shows you your score. Then you keep going till the end. Okay, that's incorrect. If you want to know what the correct answer is, you can always go here and say, oh, it was during dancing. That's okay. So you're playing schools, business, with family and friends, and then playing in your mobile app, phone, laptop, tablet, and you can sign up for it. Thank you for listening. So now we are going to try it. So I'm going to get out your phone or laptop, and we're going to play it together.